Okay, factory update. You might be wondering, what is this? So we have, with the shallow water model of Seapod and EcoPod, we have the central tube, or the spar, which is where the house is connected to, but we also have the three side spars, we call them, that are connected. And we wanted to figure out really fun things to do with these places, because they're like places where you can have an additional add-on or an option or an upgrade to be able to do some fun different things. So this is going to be a jacuzzi. The jacuzzi will go inside of this area in the center here, and then around you'll be able to jump out of the jacuzzi, and then this will be a bench that goes all the way around it, and you'll be able to sit, hang out, relax, enjoy the weather, enjoy the water. So these guys started this a few days ago. It's actually making really good progress. I was surprised. I came into the factory yesterday, and I was away for like 2 days, and then here it is. It's coming along really fast. So we're going to make a mold, and then we'll be able to produce as many of these as we want. But I think we've been working on the design and the shape. So I don't know if it's strong enough to sit on. I think so. I might just go ahead and do it. It's okay to sit? Okay, yeah. So you'll be able to sit down. It's going to come to about here. Let's see if you see this. Yeah. This will be covered by fiberglass. There'll be teak wood on the seat where you're sitting, and then there'll be fiberglass here as well. And then we'll have cushions that go all the way around, so you can sit, you can relax, you can enjoy the view, and have a drink, hang out with your friends, and then when you're ready, you can jump back into the hot tub on the inside. So hot tub is right around the corner on the other side of the factory. It looks really good. We got a pre-made jacuzzi. I think the next time we might just have it designed custom to fit right inside, so we have the whole thing built as one unit. And I think that's actually going to work better for us going forward. But to start with, we just bought something off the shelf so we can just plop it in. Because right now, there's so many things we're trying to do at the same time. We just need to be able to execute as quickly as possible. So if we can just save some time and just have something we can put right in, that's perfect. So yeah, that's coming along really good. Very happy with it. And we'll see how this goes in the next few days. Okay, hopefully you can hear me with the mask on here. So what we're doing here is making the... Okay, hopefully you can hear me with the mask on. There's a lot of background noise, and the mic may or may not pick up my voice, but what we're doing here, this is going to be a jacuzzi area for the outer spar. So we have 3 outer spars. We can do different fun things with them. So we're going to have a jacuzzi in the center, and then around we're going to have this seating area, so you'll be able to sit all the way around. So you'll have these incredible views, and just be able to just sit and enjoy the sunset or the sunrise, have your morning coffee, whatever it is. This is going to be fiberglass all the way around and on the top, and then around the sides. But the sitting area is going to have teak wood. So yeah, I was away for 1 day last week, then came back, and the wood frame for this, because under this is a wood frame, the wood frame was almost completely done. So pretty good, fast progress. So I think in a few days this should be finished, and then we'll be able to make the first piece. So we're making basically, this is the plug. So the plug will be used to make a mold, and the mold will be used to make as many of these as we want. We'll be able to go in production making our hot tubs. So this is great progress, and we'll update you as it goes along.